When it comes to how often heat exchangers should be tested, in your view, how important is this, and what should the testing frequency depend on? Are there specific conditions or warning signs that should trigger more frequent checks?
In general, in the companies I've worked with, it's common practice to test the leak tightness of large, heavy-duty heat exchangers once a year. Some companies may choose to extend that interval for newer heat exchangers, especially when their condition raises no concerns. However, the general recommendation still stands. It's best to perform leak testing at least once a year.
Okay. Here we've highlighted 4 key aspects ranked by criticality, explaining why this testing is important. In your opinion, which of these is the most critical one? And if possible, which of them deserve more attention specifically in terms of food safety and your own experience?
Well, out of the four reasons listed, I have to say, as a food safety manager, the first one is clearly the most important because it directly concerns consumer safety. And in practice, product contamination due to internal leaks in heat exchangers has been quite common, especially when proper maintenance was neglected. Such incidents can lead to serious consequences, including product recalls, financial losses, and damage to brand reputation. When it comes to economic losses, potential equipment failures, and overall process stability, yes, all of these factors are certainly important from an operational standpoint. However, unlike a leak, none of them have a direct and immediate impact on product quality or consumer safety.